Click on the link below to get price. The 3000W peak dual-motor foldable electric bike delivers an impressive blend of power, convenience, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for adults seeking a reliable mode of transport. This electric bike stands out with its 3000W dual motors, providing robust acceleration and the ability to tackle steep hills with ease. Riders can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, making it a thrilling experience for those who crave fast commutes or adventurous rides. One of the bike's key features is its 52V 30Ah removable lithium battery. This high-capacity battery ensures a long range, allowing users to travel up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and riding style. The ability to remove the battery is a significant benefit, making it convenient to charge without needing to bring the entire bike indoors. The battery also boasts a durable construction, promising longevity and reliable performance over time. The foldable design adds another layer of practicality, ideal for urban dwellers with limited storage space. It can be easily transformed into a compact size, fitting into car trunks or small corners of your home. The build quality is impressive, with sturdy metal frames that provide stability while riding. The bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, ensuring responsive stopping power and safety. Comfort is not overlooked either. The bike features an adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars, allowing riders to customize their setup for the best fit. It also includes integrated LED lights for visibility during nighttime rides, adding an extra safety measure. The bike's suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, making it suitable for various terrains, from city streets to rough trails. Overall, the 3000W peak dual-motor foldable electric bike is a powerful, practical, and user-friendly option for adults. Whether for daily commuting or leisurely rides, it combines performance with convenience, truly enhancing the cycling experience. This bike is certainly worth considering for anyone in the market for an electric bike that excels in both function and form.